Everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. So on today's episode, we are going to be unboxing the 12 Days of Sparkle from Macy's. This is normally $50, but right now it's on sale for $35. And if you use Rakuten, you'll also get like 6%, 10%. I think at one point it was at 12% for every purchase you make on their website using the Rakuten app. I think when I bought this, I got 12% cash back because I bought this and a couple other things. So it says suggested retail price $50, and there is a suggested retail value of $200. Hopefully you can see that. But like I said, I did pay $35 for this. It's a little different. If I like it and it's nice, I might buy some more and give them away as gifts. Because like my stepdaughter, I think she would enjoy opening this up. I don't know how nice the jewelry is going to be to give it to my grown kids. But definitely for my stepdaughter, she's only maybe 9. Maybe I can even give it to her for her birthday. I think I could give it to her for her birthday, and then by the time she goes through these daily, it'll be Christmas. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. So it does tell you what's in it. I guess I showed you that. And it also shows you a picture. And it comes in gold and it comes in silver. I got the silver. Okay, I can't even open it now. I got the silver. I prefer silver over gold, but it does come in gold as well. And maybe you can get both of them and mix match items in it. Oh, here we go. So cute little box. Let's open it up. Oh my god, it's so adorable. So that's what it looks like. And they're not little individual boxes. No, so they're already, so as soon as I lift the one, it'll be there. So let's lift up one. Actually, this is nice because by doing this, if I do want to give it away, I could just close each little one back up and give it away. Let's see if I can pull out the earrings though. Nope. Can't even pull out the earrings to show them to you. Wait, these are gold? No, they're silver. But that's the first pair of earrings. Actually, they're kind of cute. So as soon as I open up all the doors, I'll pull some of the jewelry out and then we'll see what happens after that. That's number 2. Oh, it's a little anklet. Is that an anklet with earrings or something? But see, it's one board. If I go this way, you could tell it's one board. I can't pull it out. Oh, yes, I can. What the hell? No, I can't. No, but I can bring it forward. How's that? Let me do that. It's cute little earrings and cute little anklet. At the end, I'll pull it out. Number 3 says surprise yourself. Oh, actually, this is nice. This is going to be a fast video, you guys. Everything looks gold. I guess it's the lighting. This is the necklace. I'll definitely be pulling these out at the end. Number 4 are hairpins. Oh my god, look at that. So this is number 4. No, that's number 4. Okay. Now let's see what's in number 5. I would take this out, but it's a little complicated. I guess at the end I could just pull the whole thing out. Number 5 says joy. More earrings. Those are cute. They're all pierced earrings. So that's nice. Oh, actually, they're cute. Number 6, rings. Now, you don't get its size, so if you have tiny fingers, they might not fit. That's number 6. Dream big is number 7. I guess you get what you pay for, I guess. Because I am tearing up this whole box. It would have made more sense. Even for $35, you think, and it's supposed to be worth $50, so at least they could have had a little bit. They could have had it so we could have pulled this shit out, you know, so we could show it. Anyways, this is number 7. It's just a plain, I guess it's a bracelet. Number 8. Oh, I like number 8. They're hoops. Yes. Number 8 is the hoops. Yeah, they should have had it where at least you can pull this thing out, you know? This is dumb. What's the point of having an advent calendar if you can't literally pull this out? You have to sit there and mess with it to pull each one out. You'd actually have to pull this. Oh, I just ripped it. Now I can't give it away. So let's close all those because they're annoying me. This is actually really annoying me. For 50 bucks? For $50? Macy, you couldn't make it so it can be individual? Here's number 9. I mean, it's $35, but still, come on, man. This is annoying. I wanted to be able to pull. You know what I mean? Like, if you open number, like, say, for instance, number 10, which is this cute little bracelet. But you can't really take it out without seeing number 11 and 12. Which is, like, come on. Here is number 11. Oh, I hate this. And this is why I didn't get the gold one. I think they sent me the wrong one. Is this gold or silver? It's all silver and some gold. This is why I didn't pick the other box, because I didn't want this thing. This is number 11. This is number 11. And that's for your phone. And I don't use that shit. So I might give that away. I'll probably put that in a giveaway. And then number 12 is some more earrings. Yeah, I don't like this box. I mean, I like the box. I like what's in it. But for $50, come on, Macy's. You could do better. Because now, so once you peel up each day, it takes you forever just to take the stupid jewelry out, right? Because of these little things. I get that, whatever. But here they all are. Here's everything you get in this box. Which if you're on the website, you'll know, but I could have sworn this is not the one that I wanted. I thought it was the other box I grabbed. But anyways, this is the silver. See, so you couldn't even pull this out for each day, right? So this was one. In order to get the earrings out, it's a hassle. You end up pulling this whole thing out. And then there's no more surprise. So for the person who gets it, they'll be surprised, they'll be shocked, right? But not me. This is the back. Of course, you could tell it's a little fancy jewelry. Now, for 50 bucks, the jewelry should have been a little nicer. I thought this was going to be super nice. Let me pull this one out. But it looks cheap as shit. But let's see. This is the one I liked. In the picture, it looked really nice. And I'm like, yes. I can't pull it out. But no. See? If I can't take it out and I got the whole damn box out. Can you imagine if you're trying to do this daily? Like, that's stupid. They should have been in individual little boxes. The box could have been punch out if they wanted to go the cheap route. They could have did one where you just punch everything out and have it in there inside of a little plastic. But this is the one I saw on the internet and I was like, ooh, that's pretty. Right? So you get 12 pieces of jewelry at $35, which was like $3 a piece, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I'm so disappointed. It looks so much nicer on the internet. But I'm trying to see, it looks really nice. But they didn't show that it was going to be a hassle to open it. Oh, this is the multi one. I'm over here talking crap. So this is the gold one. I'll show you what the gold one looks like. So this is the gold box. If you're interested in getting that one. And this is $35 as well. And if you use Rakuten, like I said, with Rakuten you'll get some money back at least. But this is nice. It's not too bad. I mean, For my stepdaughter, if I wrap it back up and I glue all the pieces back, it's actually pretty nice. This is a little scuffed up, but I probably can, and it's so cheesy. It's supposed to have like a little lock. I mean, it's a lock. It's supposed to have a key. Don't even have a hole. That's a picture. But anyways, I might wrap this back up. Oh man, if she sees this video, she's gonna be like, Ma. I know, but it's cute for her, you know. I think she would enjoy it. I think this is more for little kids. It's maybe a teenager. I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section. I like it. I think it's cute. Could they have done better with the packaging? Definitely, for sure. More of a punch out. I thought, you know, punch each one open and get your little jewelry out. Even if they were in like little plastic, that would have been cuter than this. This was like, it's supposed to be in these little bags back here, and they all came out. So I'll probably redo this. You know what? Did somebody return this? I don't know. No, normally they put return on there, right? They'll put a return sticker on the box. Yeah, no. But anyways, I like it. I think it's cute. I actually like these earrings. Oh, this is just an anklet. Why did I think? I thought these were earrings. I thought these were earrings, but no, that's the entire. I'll take out the anklet so you can see it. I think it's out. So let me know in the comment section. Is this something you'll get? You'll pass? I think it's a cute little gift. Even if you don't keep, let's say you buy it. It's $3 each little piece of jewelry, and let's say you keep some pieces and you give some pieces and you put them in like little boxes, little jewelry boxes, and give it away. This is actually a cute anklet though. See, that's the anklet. Oh, fits my wrist. So that's the anklet. That's actually kind of cute. Oh, that is cute. But you can tell it's cheesy as fuck, but it's still cute. For $3, not bad. But let me know in the comment section, what did you think of this box? Did you like it? Like I said, the packaging should have been way different. These should have been able to come out, each one. Maybe I'll fix it myself, and when she opens it, she's not gonna like all. I can change some of this jewelry out and buy jewelry that she'll like, but she'll definitely like these. I'll probably keep these. I'll give her these small ones. These are cute too. She could use this for her tablet or her iPad. But let me know in the comment section, what did you think of this? Do you like it? You not like it? I think it's okay. It's not bad. For $3 a piece, it's not bad. And like I said, you can put these in individual little gift boxes and put them in a stocking stuffer, or even save them for a birthday. This one is really messy. I don't like this one. This one's really scuffed up. So the little lock, but I thought it was cuter. It's supposed to be like a Tiffany lock or something. But anyways, let me know in the comment section, what did you think of this box? If you like it, you don't like it. Is it something you'll get for $35? It's not bad. It's not too bad. This shit got to me. This. Because it makes it so much harder to take everything out without spoiling for the next day. But anyway, thank you all for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comment section how your day is going, how you're doing. I will be having a giveaway soon for the holidays. Probably have a few of them, so stay tuned for that. It'll be fairly easy. You'll just have to leave a comment, and then the comment picker will pick somebody, and then I'll ship the box out. But let me know what you think of everything that came in here, if it's worth the $35 or not. I think I said that like 10 times. But anyways, thank you for hanging out with me. Until next time, hasta laters.